Look, heavy downfall of rain, my friends. Napakalakas po. This November 1, grabe. Oh, waterfalls na yung kay Gina. Oh. Ano na yan? Napakalakas po, mga kaibigan. Ang lakas-lakas ng buhos ng ulan. Grabe. This November 1st, 2024. Ayun oh, bahana. Look at that. It's flooded because of very strong downfall of rain this November 1, 2024 holiday. All Saints Day, very strong downfall of rain. Look at that. The street is already flooded. See? It's already flooded. Oh, waterfalls. Ay, grabe, ang lakas. Look at the current of the water. Baha na po oh. Oh, bumaha na oh. Flooded already. Look at that, it's flooded. Ay, swimming pool na po ang aming kalye. Sa lakas ng ulan, oh. In just 30 minutes, ayan na po. More than 30 minutes na po yung buhos ng ulan na malakas. Grabe. Very strong rain. Ayun, medyo tumila-tila na kahit pa paano. Ayan uli, bagsak uli, ang lakas. Flood. Ayan, buti nagdadahan-dahan kayo. Overflowing na po, oh. It's overflowing. Flooded. Look at my backyard, it's already flooded. Look at that. Because of the heavy downfall of rain this November 1st, 2024, Friday. Very strong downfall of rain, mga kaibigan. Sobra-sobra. Hindi naman to binabaha eh. Pero ngayon, look at that. It's flooded, overflowing water. Oh. Malakas po ang buhos, mga kaibigan. Buti nga medyo nabawasan. Ayan mayo, baha na ako dito. Umapaw na oh. Baha agad oh, ang bilis. Buti na lang bumababa dito sa kabila. Oh. Overflowing dahil ang lakas talaga ng buhos ng ulan. Grabe. Wow, November 1. All Saints Day, All Souls Day, All Saints Day. It's a holiday but with a very strong rain, maybe because of Typhoon Leon that now in Taiwan already. Napakalakas din po ng bagyo doon sa Taiwan. Galing dito na bagyo si Leon. Ayan ngayon ang ulan. Aftermath. Ngayon lang niya inulan dito. Lakas po mga kaibigan oh. Napakalakas ng ulan nitong November 1. Grabe mga kaibigan. Look at that. Very strong. Look at that. A heavy downfall of rain this November 1 mga kaibigan. Grabe. Kaya ingat-ingat yung mga pumupunta sa mga sementeryo. Because now in the Philippines we are celebrating the All Souls Day or All Saints Day this November 1st of 2024. It's Friday. And it's a holiday, no work, no class, all levels. A lot of people are going to the provinces to visit the graves of their loved ones, but look at that, the weather is not cooperating. There's a very strong heavy downfall of rain here in Calabarzon. Look at that. Very strong, my friend, oh. November 1st of 2024 holiday because of All Saints Day, All Souls Day here in the Philippines. And the rain is very strong, kaya a lot of cemetery nowadays might be flooded. So be careful to those who are going to the cemetery because there's a heavy downfall of rain. I think it's not only here in Calabarzon, maybe all over Luzon because of the typhoon yesterday of Typhoon Leon that now he is in Taiwan, and the name in Taiwan is Kong Ray, and very strong. Typhoon Leon and Typhoon Kong Ray in Taiwan. Very strong, my friend. Kaya be careful to those who are going to the cemetery. Be careful and please keep on praying. Look at that. A heavy downfall of rain, my friends. Very strong. What a coming Christmas for the Philippines, for the world. What's happening to our world because of climate change, because of too much emission to our atmosphere. Nasisira na po ang ating ozone layer. Kaya ayan pong nangyayari. Malalakas na bagyo ang dumarating, mga buhawi na hindi naman dati nangyayari, na ngayon grabe na po. Mas malala, more stronger than before because of climate change. Look at that. Napakalakas po, mga kaibigan. It's already 30 minutes ago. But it's still very strong. Woo! Very strong downfall of rain. Well, anyway, as a Filipino, we have a tradition that we are going to visit the graves of our loved ones. But because of the weather, maybe we could pray at home na lang. Kasi grabe, napakalakas po ng buhos ng ulan, mga kaibigan. Oh, look at that. At napakatagal, kanina pa, Grabe. Baha na po, mga... Ay!